So this is the painting that Jill Jackson sent me. Her YouTube channel is SisterEarthification, and we're doing a collaboration, and this will be a giveaway for my Facebook group, Sandra, Let's Share Our Acrylic Art group on Facebook. We've reached 10,000 members. So I'm going to embellish this with wings. I've made a cutout. You can use poster board or whatever, and I made a shape and I've traced it on both sides onto the canvas. I'm going to see how it goes. If I paint over this area, this is some of the prettiest stuff right here, so I'm going to kind of see how it goes, and I may have to paint over it. And so it's going to look like a wing-shaped angel wings, but kind of in a heart shape was my intention. So I may even add some other wings down here to finish out that heart shape. I'm not sure yet. But I was thinking I needed to base coat it with white. I'm going to see if this metallic gold will cover well enough, and if it doesn't, then I will have to base coat with white in order to get it to show up. Metallics can sometimes be transparent, and it is on the bit of the transparent side. I think I'm going to have to go ahead and base coat it white, unfortunately. So this is going to be a layering up process. I'm not going to talk during the rest of the video. You can just watch me create. Enjoy the show. Okay, so finally finished. There's zooming in a little bit on some detail. Here it is at a distance. Let me scoot stuff out of the way. This is a 16 by 20. Jill Jackson did the beautiful pour that is underneath. I'm going to try to turn the light off and see if that reflection will go away. Yeah, a little bit. Take it down a notch. There's lights everywhere in my studio here. So she did this beautiful acrylic pour, and then I decided to do, I've been on an angel kick. I've felt very compelled to paint angels here lately because I just want to bring some hope into people's lives. And I've had such blessings and opportunity through my YouTube channel, my friends that I've made on Facebook, and for all the people that came over from YouTube and from other acrylic pouring groups into my Facebook group, including Jill, who has her own group and her own YouTube channel, which is SisterEarthification. She came over to my group, and she is a moderator in my group, and she puts the hard work in, not me. I have very little time, and she's the one that makes all the responses and approves members in the group and gives encouragement. And she's just my cheerleader for the group. And I want to say a special, special thank you to Jill for her contribution to my group, the beautiful pours that she does every day and posts in my group and in her group, and the videos that she makes, and her making this beautiful pour and then sending it to me, and we decided to go in together and make this a gift to someone because we hit the 10,000 mark in my group. And I just wanted to say a huge thank you to Jill. She's just been a rock star in my group, helping me out and doing this painting. I enjoyed collaborating with her. I embellished this whole thing with the deco art, the fine tip writer, which I sing its praises all the time, and my hands are shaking. It takes a lot of strength to squeeze bottles when you've got metallic paint. I don't add any water to it because I don't want it watered down. I want it to stay raised up like it is, and it stays that way after it dries. If I added water to the paint, it would lay down flatter, and it wouldn't have the body that it has. So that's especially why I love to do it. Now, when you use regular acrylic paints from the bottles and you use their screw-on ultra tip, fine tip writer, you don't have to squeeze so hard. So needless to say, my hands, I have arthritis, and my hands are shaking, and it was quite a labor of love, but it comes from a heart of love. And this is our heart, and I did it kind of in a dream catcher style because I want everybody to follow their passion and their dreams, if it's in the art world or whatever. I just truly believe that we have all been blessed with gifts from God, from our higher powers, and I am extremely thankful, and I just feel honored and blessed to be an artist. I've been an artist over 20 years, and I'm happy to inspire people and encourage people to move on in their art journey and to pursue their career and get into festivals and start showing their work and selling their work. And if Jill and I can do that through this Facebook group and through our YouTube channels, I think that's what makes us the happiest. And so this set of wings symbolizes flying, being free, soaring, a dream catcher, catch your dreams, dream big, go big. And that symbol of gold means that you are worth so much, each and every one of you. The gold is the beautiful part that fills in the broken cracks of our lives, the broken pieces, the shattered parts of our lives where we suffer with trauma and other issues. And, you know, we all have issues in our families. And so we have some broken parts of our lives, and gold fills in those cracks with beauty, and it heals and mends. And that's what art does for me, and I know it does it for a lot of you, is that art is very, very healing. And I just really hope that whoever gets this painting, we will pick a winner in the 10,000 members on the Facebook group, and whoever gets this painting will just feel the love and the joy that comes from this piece. And for everybody, we're going to also offer a digital download also, and I'm going to have prints made from this, and if Jill wants to have prints made to sell. But this is just our big shout out to everybody. Thank you for being a part of our lives, for making our lives better. And I'm very thankful to be an artist and to be able to touch people's lives in a special way. So thank you again, and good luck and congratulations on whoever wins this painting. We will announce it very soon. Thank you so much. And Harley says, thank you. I'm enjoying the paper towel that Mommy was using, and I'm chewing it up for you. So he says thank you. All right. Y'all take care.